What I like most is that how they teach is very good. We write every week, and that basically helps us to improve our story writing.
One thing that I find unique is that Writers at Work makes us write the topic in our composition at least 3 times. Meanwhile, when I am outside Writers at Work, my school teacher tells me that we only need to write the topic 1 time. However, I feel like Writers at Work technique is more sufficient and helps me use a wider range of vocab.
Writers at Work will always help me to learn different types of content for our exams and different topics. So especially if our exam comes out with a topic that is usually quite hard to write, I usually know how to adapt to it. Especially for PSLE, I was able to adapt a P5 compo writing story, and it helped a lot to plan a story fast and good. So when I wrote my compo, it was easier.